This week's top stories. Facilities management forecast shows maintenance costs will rise by nearly 6% in 2023. The Building Cost Information Service has published its 5-year facilities management forecast, which shows maintenance costs are expected to rise by 5.7% in 2023. Joe Martin, lead consultant at BCIS, said FM managers must develop whole-life plans to demonstrate the long-term costs of short-term cuts to protect their budgets and the built environment. The cost and availability of labour are anticipated to be a major barrier to the delivery of maintenance services. Facilities Show announces new product innovations for 2023. This May, exhibitors will showcase hundreds of new FM products and solutions at Excel London at the Facilities Show 2023. Visitors this year will have the chance to experience a walking tour of a full-size replica smart office, taste 30 different types of mineral water samples, and test a 24/7 deli. Infogrid closes $90 million Series B funding. Infogrid has received funding from Original Capital, SoftBank Vision Fund 2, JLL Spark, and several others. The smart building technology company has raised $90 million in fresh equity and converting CLNs, and a further $30 million of debt facilities in Series B funding.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.